myself friend. Today we are going to learn how to add zero with numbers. I mean to say that if I would like to write 01, 02, but the one is not included with the number. So how we will do this? It's very simple. Select the text and right click and go to format cell. Okay, this is the one way. And the next is here is an arrow sign. Click on this. This is the second way. And the third way is go there and more number formats, and this is the third way. So what should we do? We have to add 0 with this number. So come to custom, and this is the simple. We select the 0 and how many 0 we should want to add. For example 1. So the simple is 0 1. So that is the way to add the 0 with your number. So if you want to add 1 0, so it's fine. Or if you want to add 2 0 or 3 0 or 4 0 and 5 0, blah blah blah, how many 0 do you want? So you have add here. Okay, and then drag and drop and come to here product number. For example, if I have some random number like this is a random number. So one of my colleagues asked me, I would like to add 50 with this number, but through the functions, I mean through the formula, not the first way which I showed you before. So how I'm going to write equal to, then text formula which you want to add the number with your digit. So it's value this, and how many 0 would you would like to add. For example 5. So equal to add 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. But this is the one problem you will face. I add 5 0, so then press enter. So it's include 3 0 with the number. So it means 2 number are reserved for your number. For example 15, it will take 2 number. So you have to add 7 0 here and then press enter. So now it's add 5 0 with your number and then drag and drop. Okay, and here employee name with the product. It's very simple. I'm going to write equal to, it means concatenate your employee name and products numbers and sign with number. I join this two column. This is the one way to concatenate, but the second way is through formula. I'm going to write equal to concatenate is a function, and text 1 means first text, and text 2 means what would you like to concatenate with your names. So products number, then close bracket, enter. So this is the second way to join the two products in a one cell through functions. So I hope you will get my point. So I think it's very easy. See you next time. Thank you very much.